Hi everybody, this is Craig with Between the Whiskeys. I'm out here at the New Boston Tailgate Hamfest today, put on by the Four States Amateur Radio Club. I'm going to be showing you a little bit of the views and highlights of the New Boston Hamfest as we do a little walk around here this morning. Okay, here we are at the New Boston Hamfest. We're coming up with try to make a quick walk through the booths, kind of show you everything that's here. First one right up here on my right is the Shreveport area Amateur Radio Club out of Shreveport. They're selling tickets here for the Hamfest. They got some cable testers that they're marketing here, and had a nice visit with this gentleman earlier about the Hamfest this year. They're looking for a big crowd down at Shreveport, and I think everything is going to be bigger and better than it's been in the past. So we're looking forward to being at Shreveport a little bit later this year. And my good friend, you've seen him on my videos before. At least we saw him from out in Dayton. That's our good friend Danny Allen from up at Neshoba, Oklahoma. Danny's in the process of haggling here right now, so we won't interrupt him. But he's got a lot of new good stuff here on the bench, things that are highly sought after. You see Danny at a Hamfest. I tell you what you got to do with Danny. You just got to show up. You got to make an offer, and you got to haggle a little bit because he'll haggle with you, and you can usually come to an agreeable deal. Danny's got a lot of stuff here today, and seems to be a pretty popular booth. I've entered into the foray of trying to sell a few antennas this year on Between the Whiskeys. So I got some wire antennas here, some antenna chokes. Had a few things I needed to get rid of, and luckily we've been able to get rid of some of those. Folks in from out of town. Got a big heat kit amplifier there. Some maybe a couple of different things there that they're selling today. Kind of an interesting thing at this Hamfest. They don't always do that at all the Hamfest, but here at the Four States Amateur Radio Club, they've been kicking burgers and hot dogs and such cookies and all kinds of things all day long today, and they're free of charge. Actually, you just make a donation. Whatever you feel like in your heart is good, they'll take it and they'll put it for you. They'll give you a burger and some chips, a drink, and whatever you might need there. So really good for them to be here today, and glad they could be a part of it.
KB7.
Got Clarence Schilling, bright yellow Volkswagen. Got some stuff for sale today. I've never seen him at his booth though. However, these folks have got some nice radios and things for sale today, miscellaneous. I'm going to keep walking through and just kind of show you some of the things that happen to be here at the Hamfest today. How are you guys doing today? Y'all selling all your stuff today?
We're actually selling quite a bit.
Well, that's a good thing. I know I had a few antennas to sell over there, and they've been going pretty good. So
we've been pretty fortunate. We all three tables sold stuff.
Yep, that's awesome. That's awesome. Appreciate y'all being here.
You bet.
Let's see this gentleman at nearly all the Hamfests that we come to. Get the camera pointed in the right direction. Got a lot of nice radios here. Having a good Hamfest there. Here we are at the Bowie County Aries booth and ARL Radio Communications booth here. They got some information from ARL. And we'll switch over here to the other side, take a look at some things they got here on the table. Like some interesting gatherings today. Got a lot of stuff out here today. If you're looking for something, you're in the Texarkana, New Boston area, you can probably pick something up here that help you with your hobby. Got some new, like a lot of stuff there in the box. Looks nice. Seeing more radios, some coax, some different things here. It looks like they got some knives and sorted odds and ends here for sale. A few things there for the ladies today. A nice set of Kenwood stuff there. Drake, Ameritron amplifier, robot mics, some CW keys. Hey, how are y'all?
Everything's negotiable.
Everything is negotiable. That's what they always say.
I'm into the Godfather hour. Make me an offer I can't refuse.
I gotcha. So have you had a good show today?
Yeah, been really good.
Good.
A little bit slow to start, but moved a bunch of smaller stuff. I'm just happy that I don't have to box up everything that I brought.
Yeah, that's right. Well, listen, we appreciate you being here today.
Sure.
Thank you.
Appreciate
you. Got some tower segments for sale over here. This trailer had a whole bunch more than that on there this morning when I got here, but it's slowly going. I think it's coming from a silent key estate, and they're selling the segments for like $50 a piece or something like that. So a lot of them are going home with people. They can make use of the tower segments and get everything going. Got them a little test bench here going on at the ham sale today. That's an awesome thing. Here's my good friend, Brian Loper here.
How's it going there?
Got a pretty good crowd of people out here today at NewBoston. And most everybody hanging around now and kind of see who wins the prizes. Things appear to be winding down just a little bit. Got the guys over here at the Freedom Link group. Got a 991A that may be raffling off here at some point. Also got a Honda generator that they're going to be giving away down in Shreveport. Got a big crowd out here today. I think the only thing we hadn't seen now is kind of the head table, the grand poobahs, so to speak. These people up here in kind of charge of the Hamfest. Got Greg Waits up here, in charge of door prizes and raffle tickets. One of our McCurtain County Amateur Radio Club members, Brandon, F5 BWS, made the trip down to the workshop today, or to the Hamfest today down here in NewBoston. And always got some vendors up here that's got a lot of cable gear and anchor points, those kinds of things.
You don't put a wrench on there?
Some wrenches, dummy loads, and then a couple of big.
Get your gold tickets ready.
Everything's good.
We have the final drawing for the
giving away some stuff. Here we are at NewBoston Hamfest today. Good friend Ronnie, KA5LEK, trying to hide his face there. I appreciate you joining me. This has been Craig on Between the Whiskeys at the NewBoston Hamfest 2026.